So, lashes, the nails. Look at these nails I found at Walmart. How cute. How cute. So we're gonna do these. Love the design, super cute. And then lashes. For this, I will try to link them. I got these from Amazon. These are clusters. And this is, I think, the C Mix in a natural. I've tried so many times. And the idea is to mimic lash extensions. And the clusters have just taken over, honestly. Now, I will say my favorite clusters that I've ever used are by the Impress Kids. They're just like the perfect length, the perfect diameter, but they're expensive and you don't get very many. You probably get like 2 applications worth. Like this will last me a long time. And then I got some glue. It says that this glue lasts 6 to 8 weeks. It says it'll last 6 to 8 weeks. And I can't open it. So I have this glue. Comes with this little applicator tip. I need this, so I'm gonna put the glue on here. And then I also have another glue that I got from Amazon. This is like a mascara glue, which I really like. So then I also have this Velux. I think this is by Kiss. Another glue. But I use the sealer. So the sealer kind of helps it last. And then I have these tweezers. And I also have these tweezers. This is what I apply the sealer with. So what you want to do is you need a mirror. I'll show you my mirror. It's my little setup. Oh, this is cool. And I just want to see underneath. So we're going to be placing the lashes on the lash line. You don't want to put them on your actual skin. So the best thing to do is avoid the skin. So these come in different lengths. And if you get on TikTok, there are some people who specialize in cluster lashes, which is so dope. And they will give you different placements for different looks. I have small eyes, so I can't use super long lashes. It's crazy because I used to wear like 25 mm. Girl, that was ghetto, okay? So I'm going to go in on the end with the mascara glue first. And I don't like to put it all over because it dries. So I'm just going to start with the area that I'm working in. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lash and I grab it at the end like that. And I'm going to touch it in the glue facing like in again, so you can kind of see. You can't really see that. Hopefully this video isn't stupid because you can't see. And then I'm looking underneath. I have like my mirror angled and I'm just going to touch it to the underneath my lash, and I use the end to kind of press it in. And there you go. Can you see that? It's giving natural. It's giving, we is in our natural era. Natural but not natural. So that was a 14. Now I'm going to go in with the 16. Again, I'm going to scoop up some glue on the inside of the lash, not the outside. So when you do like, I think normal lashes, like when you're just getting ready to go out, you put them on the outside of the lash because they sit on top. So since I'm going underneath, and you will need 2 hands if you can do it. I'm going to add some more glue. I'm going to touch underneath. You want to make sure these do not get any glue on them, the ones that you're working with, because the lashes will get stuck. They will get stuck and then you will have a mess. Like I can't even feel this right now, which is great. That means that the placement is in the right area. So that was 16. I did 14, then 16. I'm going to go in with another 16. So what happens is when I find that I use straight 16s, when I sleep, they crunch and then they go like a weird way. If I use like too long of a lash on the ends, when I sleep, scoop up some glue. To say 6 to 8 weeks, y'all. I ain't leaving no lashes on that long. If I can manage to get 2 weeks, these are so lightweight. Like I said, be very careful when picking them up. I'm gonna grab a 14 and then a 12. Again, because my eyes are so small, I don't need a lot. This is 4. This is what, 1, 3 so far. I only need like 5 clusters. So I'm gonna add more mascara glue. And then I'm gonna go in with the 14. Like I said, you wanna keep glue off because as you're holding them, it's really hard. Then they'll get stuck and that's yucky. I've tried like the beauty supply, like individual glue, and that gets hard and then it hurts. So I scooped it up. I don't know how to focus on this. There we go. Scooped it up, let it dry a little bit, and I'm just gonna touch and let go. This definitely takes some practice. You don't expect to be like perfect the first time. This is giving I woke up like this. It's giving I woke up like this, you know? And that's what it's about. It's about waking up fine. Now, if I can get some micro shading, some years ago I did microblading, and that's just too natural for me. Sorry. Like I said, I have very small eyes, so this is a 12. I just did a 14. Scooping up glue. And this is so quick. Sometimes I do them as I'm going out, you know, it just depends. And the good thing about this is you can get these wet. I be in the shower. And, I mean, you know, it depends on how well you do, they'll last and they won't, and you tweak it. So I'm heading to the inner corner. And bam. For me, my trouble areas in terms of just like sleep and stuff is like the inner corner and the outer. So I could very well take these all the way in, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna stop right here. So now time to seal. Love this glue so far. A little bit of burning. So I'm gonna take the seal, and it comes in like a mascara situation too. This just kind of locks it in. I'm going to, this is what I use these for. I got these, I got these tweezers here, but you can buy them individually. I got them with a pair of the Impress lashes. And so I'm gonna scoop in here and squeeze my lashes into it. That's what I'm doing with the seal. A little bit of burn. But it's not like, it ain't like lash extension burn. I'm gonna come in on top here. Let's see, it's the best way because I don't want to get it on my lashes. That's the thing. You don't want to get the seal like on the lash. I don't like, because then it makes them like clump together. It makes them like clump together. That's why I don't go in and brush it. And I saw somebody do this. I was like, yeah. Like if you just go in and brush this on the seal, then you get it on the lash and then they start like clumping together. I love them. Then you will also need Got these from the beauty supply. And you can brush them out. Just like when you get them done. And that's it. No lash. Like the fact that these last, if they last 6 to 8 weeks, then honey, I'm excited. Love them. And I actually really like this kind. Like I have so many. I have these were too natural and the hairs were coming off. I have these were too curly and too dark. I have these. Like I've been trying so many and just trying to find the right match. And right now, how I'm feeling, these are it. These are it. So, relaxer check, color check, tape-ins check, lashes check. Now we have to do nails. And then, mind you, I still have to get Vivian together. Am I filming that? That's a big ass. That's a big ass. Let's get into the lash. Give you a little profile. Yes, I will say, so the glue it burned. Not a lot. It wasn't unbearable. I wasn't prepared for it. Next time I will, like, you want to maybe let the glue dry a little bit before you put it on. That was just a learning curve. It was my first time using it. So far so good. We'll see how long they last. If it extends the time longer than, if I can get 8 days, 10 days, oh, we in there. We in there. Would I wear them beyond that time? I don't know. It depends on what they look like, you know, like when you're doing your makeup and stuff. So we'll see. We'll see. So moving on.